What's going on, world? It's your boy Larry Wills. I'm going to teach you today, or rather you're going to discover the quickest and easiest way to create a fortune using Whiteboard tutorial videos, even if you're starting from scratch, right? Now you expect to pay hundreds of dollars for these priceless secrets that could easily, dramatically, and instantly improve your business life forever. But if you're among the first 15 people to respond, I want to teach this to you today. Now, this amazing video series by myself, I normally sell it for $997, but it's yours today as part of this limited time quote-unquote marketing test, right? I'm conducting the marketing test, whereas though I want to teach people, or I want to teach you, or the next 15 people rather, how to make 6 figures cash using simple whiteboard tutorial videos. If you want to be part of my training group, if you want to get inside, then click the link right now and I'll see you on the inside. Now, this is only a marketing test I'm conducting because last year I created over $27,000 in residual monthly income using whiteboard tutorial videos, and so I figure instead of me keeping that information to myself, I might as well go ahead, conduct a marketing test, teach it to somebody else, teach it to you guys so that you can also create an income using whiteboard tutorial videos. All right, so if you want to get in, click the link and I'll see you on the inside. Peace.